Okay, this is the reason why the fan, the blower, AC blower, having noise. If you see this one is loose. See, there's a play. If I pull this one, see, you hear that one? This one is loose. What you need to do, just punch it with the, just push it like this, and this pin, this silver color pin, will push down this little plastic. After that, this will not go sound. This is the main reason there's a play. You can hear sometimes in your motor, in my blower, there's a noise sometimes. So after you do like this, hammer here a little, then it will be okay. Don't touch this one. Be careful with this one. You might hit with your hammer. Then you're good to go. Okay, thank you.